She sits alone in the fading light. 1,000 memories echo tonight. The words they spoke, now torn apart. All that remains are whispers of a broken heart. Her hands tremble, holding faded letters, promises made that should have been forever. The silence grows louder with every tear. The pain she feels is all that's near. Whispers of a broken heart, faint and fragile, torn apart. Echoes of love that slipped away, haunting her soul every day. The pieces scatter in the dark, carried by whispers of a broken heart. The stars above seem colder tonight, reflecting the emptiness she tries to fight. Each breath she takes feels heavy and sore, as if her heart can't take much more. She remembers the laughter, the touch of his hand, the dreams they built, the castles of sand. Now every dream has turned to dust, left with whispers of what was once trust. Whispers of a broken heart, faint and fragile, torn apart. Echoes of love that slipped away, haunting her soul every day. The pieces scatter in the dark, carried by whispers of a broken heart. To rise, a faint little spark behind tear-filled eyes. It tells her to stand, to breathe, to fight, to find her strength in the darkest night. Whispers of a broken heart, once so loud, now torn apart. The echoes fade as she learns to heal, reclaiming the love she's starting to feel. The shadows fade, she'll make a new start, no longer bound by her broken heart. The whispers quiet, they drift away, replaced by hope with the dawn of day. Her heart begins to mend its scars, reaching again for the distant stars. No more whispers of a broken heart, just a woman who's found her part. No more whispers of a broken heart, just the sound of a brand new start.